still sick. Yeah. But you know that, like, one guy that says tequila? Like, he likes tequila? Well, I sound exactly like him. Watch. Tequila. No, you need a different monster than tequila. Tequila. Wait, what flavor is tequila? Tequila? Tequila. I want tequila. 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 I can't make it so obvious. I want tequila as my new password. Tequila. What? To have a different password. What can I? It's tequila. Yeah, I sound exactly like a tequila. I know, because I'm supposed to talk about tequila, but I'm not drinking it. I'm saying I sound exactly like